Okay, welcome to this video. I'm going to show you a lot of things today. One of which, uh, so we're going to get started with logging for the first time. If you are following us for the first time, please kindly do well to subscribe. I'm going to show you how to set up a very responsive blog like this for absolutely free. So you can see, I prefer the mobile view even than desktop view. You can see this is the mobile view for iPhone. Okay. X, okay, X over 12. You can see it's for mobile view. It's looking very great. So I could set up something like this. I set up something like this on your phone, and to start earning from it also. It's very responsive. So if you check here, you can see that a lot of things embedded in here. So I'll set up something like this. So if I show you here, you see that there are source code, the theme code. So you're not going to be needing to code this thing from scratch. So you are going to be using a platform called Blogger, and this template here, which we are working on to customize everything to look like this, even better than this. We'll be dropping more than one code, so you don't need to code them from scratch. All you need to do is to upload them. You can see is to upload them here, and you can have a perfect theme as that. So first of all, what you want to do is to start by, okay, let me do something very fast. So okay, so I'm what you want to do is that you go on your Chrome, maybe on your phone, or anywhere. You can be on your laptop or in your phone. It's possible to do this in your phone also, and just search for Blogger. When you search for Blogger, okay, let me do something so you, okay, let me open another Chrome, new Windows, so I do know what I'm talking about. So I just want to change the, okay, let me use this one. So all you have is to come up with a new window here, or so you can click search on Blogger, just search for Blogger, and you can see here Blogger is activated, and you can click on create. Okay, you can see I already have an account here in this particular also. So you have to just create a new blog. So let's imagine you're creating a new blog. Let's just give it a name, random text name. So okay, let's exam focus. That should not be focus. Okay, let me just add one more up. Click on next. So exam focus or focus. But I believe this will not be available. Okay, not available. So you just continue to find a name that suits you as available. Okay, this is available. Exam focus hub. So there's a blogspot extension here. So you just click on save. Forget about that. I'll show you how to use a custom domain as progress during tutorial. So but I'm just showing you how to start customizing using our pre-built templates. So when you click on view site here, you can see a very awkward looking contest site here, which is not looking perfectly okay, and we don't need this for we don't need a site like this, because it is not that friendly, this responsive, or the coloration, the text alignment, and a lot of things are not really well with this Typefit theme. And a lot of templates here also, a lot of theme templates that are made available by Blogger platform, but for me, I've not seen anyone that worked perfectly for me. So that's why we had to work on a particular on this code. Now you can see here, these are codes of a theme also. So for you, because since you don't know how to code, or you don't know anything about coding or writing codes, it becomes difficult for you to start creating your own team. So, and one of the most important, before we continue, I don't look like we are just shadow boasting. So you can start earning money from your blog. Merely when you create it, like this is a new blog now, you can create a AdSense account. So if you have an AdSense account already, and as you begin to post content, you can now link it to the AdSense account, and if you are approved, you can start earning money from your website, from your blog, and you can earn up to $100, $300, depends on the most time. But as you begin to grow, it's a process. As you begin to grow, you can be any more than that. So it's a process. So for that being said, so for you to get started, you can send us a message on WhatsApp. If you are watching this video, pre-recorded video, you can send a message on WhatsApp if you need the team, and also, or you can send a message on WhatsApp if you need the team, and we see how we can get that across to you so that you can be working with us. This tutorial will be a very lengthy one, so I'm going to just show you the basics of what we're going to do here. Like for the previous let me show you something very quickly. So you don't need to, all you need to do is to come here. Since we are, if merely we give you the pre-built template, all you have to do is to come here, and you just have to click on something on the restore. Click on restore. So you are bringing the template we are going to provide to you. So click on restore, and just click on side and click on this. So this is the code here, the team. So you just click on restore, and I'll show you restoring here. You just have to be patient a little. You can do this on a mobile phone also. Okay, don't worry about this, it happens always. So just leave it that way. And if you come and say view site again, which I have done before, you see that there's now a clean design here, that the one. So you can change all this coloration, everything. We'll be providing more than one, so anyone you like, you can pick from there, and you can start using it. So that is how the team process works. So let's imagine after getting that team there, you can see that our pre-built logo is still here. So you can remove this. I'm going to show you how to remove this very quickly, but I'm going to do a very a complete video on that aspect, on how to start customizing your after you get the team from us. How can you customize it to become your own team, to suit your view and everything? I'm going to do a private video on that. So all you have to do is to come to layout here now. Come to layout, and you see, just wait for it to load. So you can see a lot of things here. You said to, so let me quickly change something. Let me quickly change something very fast. Okay, you can see here the header menu. Here's the image logo, which is the logo, say header logo. So you can just click on edit here. You can see I created a logo here, but I think let me just change this. I don't know if I have any good image on my computer, but let me quickly get one image. You can click on input here. So let's just click on upload from here. So you can click on this whatsoever one you feel like using. Okay, let me get a perfect image. Okay, let me try this image, but it's not going to come out properly, but let me just use that one. So if you need a logo, also can work on a logo for you. You just have to send us a message on WhatsApp also, and we can create a logo. Depends on the name you'll be using. Like I said, this logo will not come out, but I want to show you what happens. So you can click on save your personal logo, and if you come back here and maybe refresh that, you can see here the logo is sitting there here now. So you can also edit all these things also. You can edit the color, a lot of things. So we're going to create a separate video on that aspect, but I want to show you how you can customize your Blogger theme. And one thing I like about Blogger is that you don't have to pay for hosting, you don't have to pay for a lot of things. And if you're in Nigeria, you can get a .com.ng domain. .com.ng domain, that is, if you want to use a custom domain, you can get a custom domain .com.ng on HarmoWeb and other platform for just about 1,300 or so. So you don't need to spend much in building a reliable blogging platform. Though there are a lot of platforms that are better than Blogger, like you building from scratch using WordPress or a coded aspect. But if you don't have that capability and also the money to spend, because you have to host it yourself and you have to pay for hosting and that, and so Blogger is a good option because you don't have to pay for hosting. If you need the custom domain, the .com domain costs about just 1,300. Okay, let me just show you that costs about 1,300 on HarmoWeb. So let's go there. So you can see you can invest just little amount of resources on blogging, so you don't have to spend much on it, so that when you maybe you can try to give up and you not be affected also. So you can see how these things work. So just, I don't want to log in, but let me just search for a domain name. Okay, let's take away this login aspect. Let's take that off. Let's take that off. So I am going to show you the domain. Okay, let's say register a domain name. Okay, where can I get that now? In a while, I think. Okay, let's order. That's why most I prefer using international hostings, because this hosting they just arrange things haphazardly. So it's been a while I use hosting. Okay, you can just let me. It's been a while, so you can let me quickly get that also. Okay, see already. So you can just click on search a domain name. This is for exam. You said exam hub. Okay, exam hub. Okay, use that one, exam hub, and then so you can search on your domain here. So you can search on the domain, and there are a lot of options here. We are focusing on .com.ng. .com.ng. Okay, you can see .com cost 9,950 for a year, but our focus is not on .com, it's on .com.ng. So okay, and see here it costs about 1,300 every year. So you don't have to spend more. Just with 1,300 you can get your blog running, and if you can put more effort, I tell you, you can start generating revenue from your blog. So first of all, what I want you to do is to follow through this course. So now we have had a foundation. Create an email. All you have to do is to create an email, search for Blogger. If you need help on that, we can let us know. Search for Blogger, and you create a Blogger account. After creating a Blogger account, the same process, you create a name, but just come to new here, or create the blogger's name and everything. When you are done, you have a diffuse template here, which does not stand well, which does not come out properly. So you want to add something, you want to add some more stylings to it. So for you to add that stylings to it, you just have to send us a message on WhatsApp and get these are theme templates which we are working on. And that theme template, there are a lot of options, so you can now just come here and upload it on your themes folder here, or themes, restore, and that is all. So click on restore, and you just have to upload it, and that's all. So when it's being to post more content, you can start earning on Blogger. So that's how it is to set up a profitable blogging website. But I'm going to do a more complex video on that aspect, but I just want to do a light video to just show you what this thing is all about. And also you can start posting about what you think you love, and a lot more things. You can see here, this is very responsive team. A lot of things are inside embedded here. So it's very important you can start earning money from home. That's one thing I love about blogging. So thank you very much. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel if you're watching from YouTube, and kindly follow us on Facebook. If you're watching on Facebook, we'll be creating more content on coding, blogging, web development, and majorly on how to earn money online, how to set up a structure to start earning money online. So we are going to be doing a video on how to start earning money using Upwork in our next video. So if you are watching the video, you can check our next video, which is called how to start earning money on Upwork. Upwork is a platform where you can get jobs. Sorry, I was spelling wrong. Upwork. So you can. So Upwork is like a platform where you can get jobs you can do, and it's a great platform. It's a great platform. So we're doing a video on that aspect on Upwork next. So thank you. Please subscribe and follow us so you can start building financial structures from home. You can start working from home and earning huge. So thank you very much for watching this video, and get back more times. So that's the end of the video.